Teleview with Monisha Singh Katyal.
Hello and welcome. I'm Monisha Singh Katyal and I'm your guide to the world of entertainment. पिछली बार हमने आपको 4 हॉट शॉट एंकर्स करण वाही, मनीष पॉल, रवि दुबे और जय भानुशाली में से अपने फेवरेट एंकर को चूज करने के लिए कहा था. And you chose Manish Paul, who as promised, we made your telemate. इस ओवरवेलमिंग रिस्पॉन्स को ध्यान में रखते हुए इस बार हम एक और एक्साइटिंग पोल लेकर आए हैं. Imagine if you can go back in time. Imagine if you can bring back what's gone away. Yes, that's exactly what you have to do. टीवी के 4 पॉपुलर फेसेस में से अगर आप किसी एक को वापस ला सकें, तो वो कौन होगा? वरुण सोपती, करणवीर बोरा, समीर सोनी और गुरमीत चौधरी. Varun Sopti made his TV debut with the show Shraddha, got recognition with his second show Baat Hamari Pakki Hai as Shravan Jaiswal, but it wasn't until Is Pyar Ko Kya Naam Do that he shot to fame. Unka character Arnav Singh Raizada, rude, arrogant or business-minded to tha hi, but he also did not believe in love. But as they say, girls like bad boys. Varun ki female following बढ़ती चली गई. His chemistry with Sanaya Rani and the romantic scenes were the high point of the show. But all good things come to an end, and so did the show. Varun decided to quit soon after he landed 2 plump roles in films. Show के producers ने उनको replace करने के बजाय show बंद ही कर दिया. In fact, कई सारे polls के बाद भी audiences का verdict एक ही था. They wanted Varun back as Arnav. Karanveer Bora has always been the popular bad boy of TV. Right from the bad boy gone good image in Kasauti Zindagi Ki and the boy next door in Shararat to the psychopath lover in Saubhagyavati Bhava, audiences have adored him in every role. पर शायद लड़कियों को करणवीर की मीन स्ट्रीक कुछ ज़्यादा ही पसंद आती है. पर जहाँ करणवीर को लोग पसंद करते हैं, वहीं उनका शो थोड़ा रेपिटेटिव होने लगा था. शो की स्टोरी भी ड्रैग होने लगी and had a nonsensical twist, after which it had to be shut down. फिलहाल ये झलक दिखला जा के एक strong contestant हैं. Sameer Soni has always been popular on the small screen. His latest show Parichaya was one of those rare shows to focus on the male protagonist, Kunal Chopra. एकता कपूर ने शो के लिए काफ़ी अच्छी हाइप क्रिएट कर दी थी. समीर सोनी यानी कि कुणाल और सिद्धि के रोमांस को अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा था. But soon the story started dragging on similar lines of the husband, wife and a disgruntled ex-lover, फिर 10 साल का leap, twin children, jail sequence, love triangle, etc., etc., etc. Natija, a dead end, leaving nothing for the producers to explore further, forcing them for the show to have a graceful, happy ending. Gurmeet Chaudhary has enjoyed female attention since his previous show Geet with Drashti Dami aka Madhubala. But he found his true calling with Punarviva. With his dapper and mature business tycoon look, Gurmeet ने यश के रोल में audiences का दिल आसानी से जीत लिया. But just within a few months of its launch, Punarviva में stereotypical family drama और सास बहू politics शुरू हो गई. शो की TRPs down जाने लगी and finally the show had to be taken off air. While Gurmeet is still popular on reality shows, tell us if he's the one you'd really like to see back in a serial. Or is it Karanveer Bora, Sameer Soni, ya phir Varun Sopti? It's bad boys versus the good boys. So go ahead, take your pick and make your choice. Write into us by commenting on the video or on facebook.com/teletalkindia or twitter.com/teletalkindia and we'll make your favorite TV star your telemate.
Teleview with Monisha Singh Katyal.
To watch more, subscribe to youtube.com/teletalkindia.